Welcome, dear students. Here we will see EVS subject means your look and learn book part 2, and the lesson number is 1, wings and tails. Now look here, lesson number 8, wings and tails. Let us learn about. Now what we'll learn in this lesson? Different animals around us, then types of animals, day and night animals, and last is identifying different animals. Okay, so look here, we can see here alphabet chart. Yes or not? Here is a alphabet chart. When we have learned alphabets, that time we came to know many names of animals. Yes or not? Look here. Here is A for ant, then B for bear, C for cat, D for duck, E for elephant, F for fish, G for giraffe, H for hedgehog, then I for iguana, J for jaguar, K for kangaroo, and L for lion. So many on. Okay, so here are some are small, some are big. Yes or not? And then some can fly, some can swim. Some animals live on land, some live in water. Okay, so we will learn what's the type of animals. Okay, in this lesson. So look here, we can see here dog, cat, rabbit, and pet birds. What is these? These animals looks around us. Animals can be seen all around us. Some animals can be seen inside our house also, and some can be seen only on farms or grounds near of our house. Some can be seen only in forest. But here we can see dog, cat, rabbit, and pet birds, which are seen around us. So these are domestic animal. Which animals can we see around us? These are domestic animals. Okay, like the dog, then cat, rabbit, or pet birds. These are domestic animals. But when we put these animals inside the house, so we can call them as pets. What? Pets. Now dog is a pet animal, cat also is pet animal, rabbit also pet animal, and pet birds also. Okay, so when we put inside the house these animals, that time we call them pet animals. But when we can see around us, that time these are domestic animals. Okay, now domestic animals that live on a farm or fields, look here, are called farm animals. These are domestic animal also, but when it live on farm or fields, that time we call them farm animals or field animals. So look here, cow, which can we see on farm, then buffalo, then horse, and goat. These are farm animals which can we see on farm or fields. Okay, the next, here are lion, hyena, then giraffe, bear. Okay, now where can we see them? We can see these animals in forest. Okay, these animals live in the jungle. Which live in a jungle, they are called wild animals. These are wild animals. Okay, now they find food, water, and shelter on their own. For example, lion, it's found their food own. Okay, all these wild animals find their food, water, and shelter on their own. Now we can see only farm animals or domestic animals around us. But we may see some wild animals in the zoo. We know that they live in a jungle, but we can see them in a zoo. Now look here. You will see the types of animals. What is here? Here is a size. Means some are big and some are small animals. So look here. Different animals have different shapes, size and color. Now look here. Tiger and then elephant. Animals like the lion, tiger and elephant are big in size. These are big animals. And then animals like the dog, rabbit and cat are small in size. Means these are small animals. Okay. These big animals and small animals. Means which has a big size, these are big animals. And which animals have small size, these are small animals. Okay. Now we will see next. Now here is a tail. Tails of animals also differ in shape and size. For example, the tail of a dog is smaller than the tail of a tiger. Some animals have a tail and some do not. Okay, look here. In this picture we can see animals. They have long tail. And here animals do not have a tail. That animals do not have tail. So look here. Now third type, moving from one place to another. Some animals have legs and some animals have wings to move from one place to another place. So look here. Animals with legs can walk. Many animals have legs. Look here. It moves from one place to another place with their legs. Rhinoceros, elephant, tiger, panther. These are the animals which move one place to another place with the help of legs. And here are animals with wings can fly. It moves from one place to another with their wings. They can fly. Okay. So they fly from one place to another place with the wings. Okay. Now next is some animals do not have legs or wings. For example, snakes, fish, worms and so on. They do not have legs or wings. Okay. So this is the moving from one place to another place. It's a different. Here is fourth difference is place. What is fourth difference is place. Some animals live on a land and some lives in a water. Okay. Now some animals live on land as well as in water. For example, frogs and crocodiles. We all knew that the land animals means which are live on a land, and the water animals means fish, dolphins, whales, then octopus. These are the water animals, means which animals live in a water, these are water animal, and which animals lives on a land, these are land animals. Some animals live on land and water also. So these are frogs and crocodiles. These animals live in water and on land also. This is the fourth difference. We will see that. What is the next? We know about many types of animals. Domestic animals, wild animals, land animals, water animals, then big animals, small animals. Okay, now we will see that some animals are active during the day. They spend the whole night resting or sleeping. They are called day animals. For example, dog, monkey, elephant, and so on. Human being also, which are spend their night for resting. They doing work the day. They are active during the day. They work on day, and they spend their whole night for resting. These are day animals. Means these are active during the day. So these are day animals. And some animals are not active during the day. They spend the whole day resting or asleep. They are called night animals. Means these animals active during the night. So they are called night animals. These are night animals. For example, bat, mouse, owl, and so on. Cockroaches also. These are night animals which are active in a night. Okay. Which animals active during the day? These are day animals, and which are active during the night? These are night animals. Now look here, we can see the picture of tiger. The pattern on the tiger's body is strip. What we call it? Strip. And no two tigers have the same strips on their bodies. These are different. These strips are different from one tiger to second or other. Means these are not same. Okay. So today we have seen the types of animals and also get information about them. We have seen domestic animals, wild animals, day and night animals, land and water animals also. So your homework is your textbook page number 5, and here is a activity using the types of animals. You have to fill the given animal charts. It's your page number 5. So do this activity. It's your homework. So thank you. Bye.